How do you get the job done? Like you mean business. Like nothing stands in your way. Not with that hood scoop, crowning an induction system that provides cooler air temperatures for the available 6.6-liter Duramax Diesel lurking below. With 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque at the ready, that Duramax V8 is also paired with the legendary Allison transmission with overdrive for smooth shifting performance. And with the digital steering assist system, steering effort adapts to your needs. So working hard won't feel so hard.
Upgrade to professional grade at the all-new Tux Trucks in Hudson. Online at TucksGMC.com.